In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve audio quality with Studio Sound in Descript. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to web.descript.com. Once the site loads, sign into your account if needed, and then open the project that contains your audio or video file. If your file is not already inside a project, upload it and wait for it to finish processing before moving on. This is important because Descript needs a moment to analyze the media before all editing tools become available. Once your file is open in the editor workspace, take a moment to locate the audio track you want to improve. In Descript, your media will usually appear in the timeline and transcript-based editing view, so make sure you click directly on the correct audio or video layer. Selecting the right track matters, especially if your project includes multiple recordings, voiceovers, music beds, or interview clips. If nothing seems to change on screen, double check that the track is actually highlighted. After the track is selected, move your attention to the right-hand side of the screen and find the inspector panel. This is where Descript places many of the detailed settings for the item you currently have selected. Inside that panel, look for the section labeled Audio Effects. If you do not immediately see it, scroll a little within the panel until it appears. When you find Audio Effects, turn on Studio Sound. This feature is designed to clean up your recording automatically by reducing background noise and improving the clarity and presence of the voice. It can be especially helpful for recordings made in untreated rooms, spaces with low hum, fan noise, or light ambient distractions. Once Studio Sound is enabled, use the intensity slider to control how strongly the effect is applied. Start with a moderate setting and listen carefully to the result. As you increase the intensity, Descript will remove more unwanted background sound and make the spoken voice sound cleaner and more polished. However, it is a good idea not to push it too far right away, because overly aggressive settings can sometimes make audio sound a little unnatural. The goal is to improve clarity while still keeping the voice realistic and comfortable to listen to. Take a few moments to preview the audio and fine-tune the slider until it sounds balanced. When you're happy with the result, your audio will be noticeably cleaner and easier for your audience to hear.